So today we're having lunch at Icebergs, and I didn't realise this had this famous, like, gorgeous little pool area, which is so cute, and the beach is packed. I don't know if you can see that glare. I'll just come over here. So the beach is just completely packed, and Kelly's, there's my friend, and Kelly's upset because she wants to be down there, but I said we'll come back and we can go hang out down. So cute. This was one of those like little pools that I was talking about, that I was asking everyone, you know, where do you go to get on these? There was someone using the wheelchair machine over there. That's what was making that horrific noise. Oops, sorry. So yeah, so we're at Icebergs. We're going to have some lunch, and then we're going to the I'll just turn this around. We're going to the ROAR and SNORE tonight for Kelly's surprise, and which will be, I told her this morning where we're going, so she's going to be she's really excited about that. And yeah, we camp out, and so that's about it. Really pretty down here. It's quite warm today. So this must be swimming in ocean water. Yes, yes. Angus is going to get some champagne. Kelly, what drink do you want? Kelly, what drink do you want? Come and sit down here. Kelly's in a bad mood because she wants to be down there swimming, but we're here for lunch, so I told her we will come back another time and hang out down here. Say hi, Kelly. I've asked Kelly to turn off her iPad. There's my gorgeous friend Angus, and we're going to have lunch, and that's the beautiful view. Yeah, so we're having a lovely time. It's very civilised here, isn't it, would you say? Yeah, very civilised. It's Kelly's vegetables she didn't want to eat. Beautiful Angus's
I ate the carrots, actually.
You're yelling. I had some of my oysters already, and we have champagne and chips. And what? Spider, yeah, Kelly's spider. It's all very delicious.
That's for sale, darling.
I know, darling. I know, I want to live there. How nice it is. This is in Bondi, and just found like my dream home. I want to live up there. Well, I like that little one underneath there. They've done like a little fancy, yeah, like a little cabana style thing, you know. And the beach is packed. Kelly's screaming at me to come on. We're coming! And there are so many people out on the beach today. It is not funny. This is that bridge that we were looking at. So the ROAR and SNORE. So we're going over to the zoo now, and yeah, we're going to I just told Kelly her surprise, so she's very excited. She can't wait. And to go glamping. You excited, Kelly?
What's
Glamping. It's like camping, but the glamorous version. Well, I'm hoping, you know, instead of camping, you put the G and the L in it, and you go glamping. So we have the Louis all packed, the toiletry bag, the bag that I had today. Okay, Kelly's showing you her cardigan. Where's your bow on your top? So I'm trying to show my toiletry bag. Oh, I can't get in there. We had a busy day again today. Went to Icebergs. We went,
To Icebergs.
yeah,
YouTube followers.
and then we went to Westfield over there. Can you do? And then I asked in the Louis Vuitton over there if they had the bag I wanted, and they don't have it at George Street. I wanted to show Kelly the Noe in the monogram print.
Are we fine or a taxi driver?
No, I don't think we are.
Another 10 minutes.
10 minutes if there's no traffic, so I think we'll make it because we booked a taxi, and yeah, we booked one for the hotel. He didn't show up, so we got this lovely gentleman off the side of the road. So alright, we'll catch back up with you at the zoo for the Roar and Snore.
Oh, and I'm gonna see who snorts louder, my mum or a lion.
Yeah, and Kelly's been telling everyone that today, so
They're snoring very loud.
you know I can edit that bit out. Okay,
La,
bye.
la, 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 la.
And we finally made it to the Roar and Snore, and we're in tent number 14 apparently, so they just wait to welcome everyone, and then I think they said it finishes at 9:30 in the morning, so there's some cute birds in the back. It's very relaxing here, it's very quiet. The animal noises, obviously. I think it's hugging another one. Oh, look at that. There's two of them
They
there.
look like pussy pussies.
I think they're hugging. Look at that cute tail.
I
It
want
looks like
that
they're
tail.
falling.
I'm jealous.
It's like they're falling asleep. Yeah, he's falling asleep.
Which one? Mum, I'll just sleep on this bed, okay?
Okay.
My bed.
Oh, I can barely get in, Kelly. Okay.
This is nice.
Yeah. Together. Okay, and if you don't like that, bad luck. So that's a fold-up bed. So yeah, this is it. We made it, and we're camping or glamping. They admit it's glamping, so I'm happy about that. And so this is it. Oops, sorry everyone. It's very bright. In fact, can you get my sunglasses out of the handbag, please, Kelly? It's very pretty. It's very bright.
So just, yeah, that way over the bridge, just that building.
It's probably going to be too glary to film. So this is our little campsite for the night, and the sunset is so bright. We just had some wine and dips and chips, and they brought out some reptiles. It's really beautiful here, but if I was to show you the harbour with the sunset now, it's so bright that I think it'll not show up the sun setting over there. So I'll show more of that tomorrow. Yeah, it's very humid. I feel like I'm in Northern Territory. The houses up here are so beautiful. When we came on this side of the zoo to Mossman, yeah, okay. So this is us doing like behind the scenes with the giraffes where they've become before. So that's a guy mowing the lawn or sweeping the leaves.
Shot. Oh, that's such a good shot. Wow, this is like your cute. I like that.
So guys, this is Ellie Todd, one of the young yellow keepers, so I'll hand you over to Ellie, and you guys will be up for a great talk.
Come in close, everyone. How was your night? Yeah? Excellent. Good weather for it too. Yeah. Well, welcome to the giraffe paddock. It's not every day you get to stand at an animal exhibit. We have 4 giraffe in our herd here. Bit closer. Bit closer.
Closer, Kelly.
She's a greedy girl. Alright, can you help show Ben how
Hold
to...
my hand.
Yeah, hear that call?
All good, Justin? How you going? Yeah, good, thanks, Deb. How are you? Just straight out?
So now we're doing behind the scenes in the sun bears enclosure, and we're planting. This is where the bears normally hang out, and we're planting food around for them to come out and find it. So the bears are tucked away up in there, and we're like finding cute places to hide it, hide the food. Yeah, it's really cute.